If you want browser push notifications on your website, the usual advice is sign up for a third-party push service. Create another account, generate an API key, learn another dashboard, and hand over your subscriber data to someone else's platform, a vendor relationship you now have to manage and could lose access to. For a directory website, there's a better way. Directorist Notifications Pro adds native browser push notifications to your Directorist site with no external push service in the loop. When you install it, the plugin generates its own push credentials right on your server. Notifications are sent using your own site's credentials directly to each browser. Nothing routes through an outside service. That means no OneSignal, no push alert, no third-party push account required, no API key to configure, and no additional recurring push service cost. There's a privacy win here too. With a third-party service, your subscribers live in that vendor's dashboard. With Notifications Pro, subscriptions and delivery logs are stored in your own WordPress database. No data about your admins or listing owners' browsers leaves your server to a third party's push dashboard. And unlike a generic push tool you'd have to wire up yourself, Notifications Pro is scoped to your directory's own events out of the box. New listing submissions, approvals, orders, payments, reviews, and renewal reminders. You choose which events send a web push notification to admins and which go to listing owners independently of your existing email notifications. When something happens, the alert lands instantly. And clicking a notification takes you straight to the listing, order, or review, not just your homepage. Directorist Notifications Pro works in Chrome and Edge on desktop and Android, Firefox on desktop, Safari on macOS, and iOS home screen web apps. Your site, your credentials, your data. No middleman. Get Directorist Notifications Pro today. The link is in the description. And if this saved you a monthly subscription, a thumbs up helps more directory owners find it. See you in the next video.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.